Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to close apps on your Android phone. Now for this tutorial I'll be using a Samsung Galaxy running Android 14, and what you want to do is go into multitasking mode. Now it mainly depends if you're using gestures or buttons. Now for buttons, you need to tap on this button here with 3 lines to go into multitasking mode. Then you'll see all the apps running in the background. If you're using gestures, then you'll need to swipe and hold to go into multitasking mode. Anyway, while you're here, you can close an app by simply swiping up, and that app is going to be closed. And you can do that for all these apps. Now, if you want to close all the apps at the same time, you can just tap on close all. There's a button floating at the bottom there that says close all. That will close all the apps. For some Android phones, you'll have to scroll all the way and you'll see this button somewhere here. Either way, just find that button and tap on it, and that's going to close all the apps running in the background. That's basically how to close apps on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.